Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you my favorite milk tea of all times, and it is Thai milk tea. Except we are going to reinvent the Thai milk tea today. I'm going to make a version which is also getting very popular these days. It's going to be brown sugar Thai milk tea crème brulee. So for this I am going to use my premium blend of Thai tea, and I am going to use a French press to brew my tea. I'm going to tell you that in a bit. This time I'm not going to use any condensed milk. I'm going to use evaporated milk, or if you don't have evaporated milk, you can also use half cream or half and half. And of course, because this is brown sugar Thai milk tea, I'm going to use my homemade brown sugar syrup. If you haven't yet checked, or if you haven't yet tried making your own, do check out the video link above. And because I'm going to make this a crème brulee style with brown sugar on top, I am going to make milk foam using fresh milk. Whole milk is the best for making milk foam. And because I want this to be a perfectly decadent treat, I am going to add some Konjac pearls there, brown sugar Konjac pearls as well. I love grass jelly, but I haven't got it at the moment, so brown sugar Konjac pearls it is. And for the tools, I am going to use the French press to brew my tea, and we are going to use a kitchen torch to burn our sugar. I'm going to use some brown sugar or Muscovado sugar on top of the milk foam. And of course, because we are going to use the kitchen torch, I'm going to use a brulee ring, just so that my cup will not burn as I torch the sugar. And because I'd like to make this a macchiato style, I'm going to make a milk foam, and to make the milk foam, I'm going to use an electric milk frother. For today's recipes, I'm going to show you in 3 cup sizes, the 12, 16, and 22 ounces. Let's start by brewing our Thai tea. I am going to use my French press here to brew my tea. This is a 1 liter French press. If you haven't yet seen how to brew black Thai tea using different methods, please check out the video link above. And I'm using my premium blend of Thai tea here. For 1 liter, I use 5 scoops of tea. 1 scoop is about 4 teaspoons, so 5 is about 20 teaspoons. If you don't have a scoop, you can use tablespoons, but make them heaping tablespoons, 5 heaping tablespoons of tea. You'd really like it to be strong. And then we are going to add hot water into the French press. Fill it to the top with hot water. Stir to infuse the tea with the water. Put the lid on, but do not push the plunger. We are going to steep this for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes is up. I'm going to push the plunger down, and my tea should stop brewing. I can use this straight from here to make my drinks. Before we start preparing our drinks, I'm going to make my milk foam. I have here a pitcher full of ice, so I'm going to make an ice bath just to make sure that my foam is going to be stable. I'm going to fill my pitcher here halfway full. Well, there you go, 3 deliciously looking brown sugar Thai milk tea creme brulee. I love the Konjac pearls. Because there is no condensed milk in this drink, it is lighter in texture. The brown sugar somehow complements that, and also the use of the half and half or evaporated milk makes it creamy, but the taste is still absolutely delicious. The bruleed brown sugar also tastes good because I can bite into it, and it smells better somehow because of that brulee process. The burning process is caramelizes the sugar, and so it adds to the delicious smell of this brown sugar Thai milk tea. Give this a try. Thai milk tea, you can make it many different ways and many different recipes. In my book, All Things Milk Tea, you will find a few different variations of Thai milk tea. So select what you like, try each one of them if you can, and select your own preference. Well, that's all I would like to share with you. 3 delicious recipes here for your milk tea or coffee shops, or even just to try at home. I know that many of you are already making Thai milk tea at home. Give this one a try and maybe you'll just be delighted. If you have any questions, do let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share the love. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.